Welcome back everyone. And in this session we are going to look upon Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem, I guess you all are aware about what is Pythagoras theorem. Primarily what we are going to see its proof using similar triangles, right. So this proof was given one Indian mathematician Budhayan around 700 BC, and that is why using this proof, if it was proved, so it was also known as Budhayan theorem. So let's start with the theorem itself, that is, if in a right angled triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to square of base and square of perpendicular. So is equal to the sum of squares of base and square of perpendicular. So what I meant, but when I write this, that let's say this ABC, this is a right angled triangle, right angled at B, triangle ABC, angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. This is what given to me. Now as per this theorem, what it says, that see, hypotenuse is what? The side opposite to the 90 degree, that is AC. So AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. This is what this theorem states, as simple as that. So now let's see the proof of this. Now in order to prove this, what I am going to do is I am going to drop a perpendicular right over here, and I am going to call this point as L. Let L is such that BL is perpendicular to AC. BL is perpendicular to AC. Now over here, if I take triangle ABL and triangle, the bigger triangle ABC, so I know when I was proving the RHS similarity criteria, I have already proved that these triangles will already be similar. So I am not going to prove that again. What I am going to do, I am going to generate a meaningful result from here. That is, see, in triangle ABL, if I look, that this triangle will be equal, this angle will be equals to this one, right? So the side opposite of this is BL, and the side, and this see, we are comparing this smaller triangle with the bigger triangle, so this is common, right? So in triangle ABC, the side opposite to angle A is BC. Now next is, in this smaller triangle, this is 90 degree, so the side front of 90 degree is AB, and in the bigger triangle ABC, the side opposite to 90 degree is AC. Lastly, what I am remaining with is this angle over here, and this angle will be equals to this one, right? So this, if I talk about the side opposite to this is nothing but AL, and the side opposite to this one in the bigger triangle is AB. Now if I take these two, what I am getting is AB square is equals to AC into AL. I hope it is making sense to you. Now, proceeding towards, see, firstly this triangle 1 will be similar to the bigger triangle, then this triangle 2 is also similar to the bigger triangle. So let's use that result. Angle BLC, triangle BLC will be similar to triangle ABC, and if BLC is similar to triangle ABC, what I can say from here, that again look at this smaller triangle. The side in front of 90 degrees is what? BC, and the side in front of, in the bigger triangle 90 degree is AC. Again, this and this angle, what I am talking about, this BLC and ABC. So this angle is common in BLC and ABC. So side opposite to this angle is BL, and in the bigger triangle AB. Similarly, the last angle is this one. So these two will be common to each other. The side opposite to this is CL, and the side opposite to this is BL. The side opposite to this is BC. Sorry, we are talking about bigger triangle BC, right? So if they are similar, then the ratio of the sides will be also similar, and if I use these two relations, BC, so what I will be getting is BC square is equals to AC into CL, right? And let us consider this one as my first equation and this one as my second equation. If I add 1 and 2, if I add 1 and 2, what I will be getting is AB square plus BC square is equals to, if I take AC common, so AL plus CL, CL plus AL, and CL plus AL is nothing but AC. So this can be summarized as AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. I hope it is making sense to you, and that is how we have proved the Pythagoras theorem. Now here is one notable thing, that the converse of Pythagoras theorem is also true. That is, if in a right angle triangle, if in a triangle the square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of squares of the other two sides, then that will be a right angle triangle. So I hope this is making sense to you, and that was all about the theorem of Pythagoras. Let's practice some questions based on that. Thank you so much.